To create a new program, you go to your program list here. We can go up or down to select a new program. So I'm going to select program 99, which is empty. We can also hover over a current program and we can override it if we like as well. So I'll go to an empty program for now. Press select to open your menu bar. Across here on the menu bar you have an information symbol, a pencil, the pairing, and technical information of how long the oven has been run for on particular programs, water usage and power usage. As we're creating a program, we're going to go to the pencil, press OK. Now we're in the program creation screen. We have here on the side the number of steps of our program. We'll do a 3-step program just for this example, but you can always use as many steps as you require for your particular program. Press OK to highlight a certain step. Now we can use our up and down arrows to change our set temperature on the first step. Press OK. Up and down to add your time. So we'll bake at 240 for 4 minutes. 3 seconds of steam, press OK. We're not going to open the damper in the first step, so press OK again. Now we can go to our second step. In the second step we're going to reduce the temperature. Press OK. We'll bake for another 4 minutes and we'll do a second injection of steam. On the last step, we're going to reduce our temperature once more. And remember, this is not necessary, it's just showing you the capabilities. We'll do the remainder of our bake, which we're going to bake for a total of 20 minutes. So we'll bake for another 12 minutes. So we have 4 minutes in the first step, 4 minutes in the second step, and 12 minutes in the third step. We're not going to add any more steam, but we will open our damper for the last 6 minutes of the bake. So the way that the damper works is if we have 6 minutes here and 12 minutes here, that means it's going to run for 6 minutes before the damper will open. If we had 5 minutes on the damper, that means it'll run for 7 minutes, and the last 5 minutes the damper will open. Once you're happy with all your parameters, press select, navigate across the menu bar. We have ABC to name your program, so press OK. When you're naming the program, it always opens up on the backspace button. Just keep pressing OK until you've backspaced as far as you need to turn to the standard name. Use your navigational keys, press OK to input the new letter. Once you're happy with your name, press select and press OK on the double back arrows. We can see now that the name has changed to test. Press select to go to your menu bar, navigate to the right, and we have our picture emblem. Press OK and we can add a picture for the program. We'll press select again, navigate across. We have the scissors for cutting out a line in the program if you wanted to just take one line away. The floppy disk that says program on it to save, or the trash can with the X to delete the program. So we'll go to the floppy disk, press OK. We've now saved our program. If you want to lock in that program and use it to bake, press OK. The program is now locked in. We're heating to our set point. Once the oven is preheated, we can load our products and start the program. Once you're locked in the program, you can also use the menu bar to change your set temperature. Add steam, open or close the damper. When you press OK, you'll see that it's black when it's open or white when it's closed. Use the partial load function. This is if you're not loading a full oven. Or turn the light on and off inside the oven. Changing any of these or adding steam, changing your temperature does not affect your program. It'll only be for that one bake. As soon as you reselect that program, everything will return to its standard values. So we're going to start the program. Once the timer goes all the way down to 0, an alarm will sound. Any button will stop that alarm. If you look at your products and they require more time, you can go on your menu bar here to the clock, press OK, and we can press up to add time. If you were happy and you wanted to remove your products, any button to stop the alarm, open the door, take your products out, then when you close the door it'll come up with baking extra time. You can press down or you can hold start stop and the oven will stop. If you're already preheated at your next temperature, the oven will sound the alarm again, ready for your next products to bake. To change programs, go to your program list, press the button, navigate up or down to the program you want to use, press OK to lock in the program. We wait for the oven to reach the set point and then you can start your program. If you're currently in a program and it says baking and you want to change to another program, you'll be able to return to the program list, but you won't be able to change the program. I'll demonstrate now. So we were on specialty bread small. I'm going to change that to a croissant. Press OK. You can see that we've returned to specialty bread small. That's because we're currently in a program. When the program ends, it'll change to croissant. So we can hold our start stop button at the bottom. Any button to stop the alarm. And now you can see we've changed to our croissant program. So just make sure whenever you're changing programs, you're not currently baking. It either says warm up or warm up finished. When you're going to clean the screen of the oven, you have a key here that you can hold down and it will lock your control panel. So you can see a key has appeared at the top. We can now wipe over the control panel, press any of the buttons, and it'll continue to come up with this keypad locked warning. Now the control panel is clean, to unlock, you just hold the key. Whenever you're cleaning the control panel, just mild soapy water is okay. You don't want to put a lot of water on the control, just make sure the cloth is only damp, or you can use products like Windex.